Today we are here at the fish tank. We see that the water level increased significantly from the bottom of that section of the pipe to the middle, which means the water is not leaking out. Actually, water is increasing, it's leaking in, which is what we want. That means we don't have to add water anymore. We have a natural, source of water every day, coming from the bottom of the fish tank, which is nice. Today we're gonna weld the vertical post, the inner post, from here to here, all the way here. So that will reinforce the strength further, which is what we need, and then we go from there. Okay, we're welding the horizontal square tube for the inner film, and also this is the part that the half of the this pipe, we cut it half, 3/15, and then this is how the we use it as a gutter, how the gutter will be fastened, through here and through here. So every 1.5 meter, like that, and we need to make sure it's sloped. But anyway, we are doing the horizontal square tube everywhere, even at this corner. This is where the inner hoop, the footing of the inner hoop located. That's how we locate that place. We need to, once we find it, we're gonna cut this section, this small section, remove it. Anyway, so this is it. Everywhere we route the horizontal tube so that the gutter can go in between. Okay, as you can see, we weld the bottom to a horizontal bar and then connect to the outside. So basically the outside, inside structure all connected at the bottom, and then we pour concrete. We'll pour concrete at the footing, so that hold both places, under the concrete. So give it a very large concrete solid base, and everywhere like this, everywhere. So that should do it. And then probably tomorrow, the next day, we are going to set up the inner hoop, the structural hoop. So probably we'll just place it right on top of this place, and simply weld it. And then there is a vertical post everywhere. You see the hole, and then we're gonna have inside vertical post, and then we connect at the top, and that should hold inner hoop structure. And that's it. We'll do that tomorrow. And this is the fish tank. As you can see, lots of water, and yeah, the fish and shrimp. There's shrimps, everywhere. Shrimps also very happy. You see there, that's a shrimp sitting right there on top of the horizontal tube, sitting there. And there's a relatively large fish somewhere. Couldn't find it now, but somewhere. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna have lots of fish, so we're gonna catch fish every day, and then keep adding, until we get to a point we need to pump the poop out of this fish tank.